In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete n8n account. Before we begin, a quick note on what this action does. Deleting your n8n account permanently removes your workspace, along with its workflows, credentials, executions, and related data. This can't be undone, so if you'll need anything later, consider exporting your workflows and noting any critical settings before proceeding. You'll also need to be signed in with a role that has permission to manage the workspace, typically the owner or an administrator. Start by signing into your n8n Cloud account and opening the Workflows area. This is the main page where your automations live, and it's a convenient starting point because the navigation to account settings is accessible from here. From the Workflows view, open the Admin panel. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find this in the main navigation or a workspace menu. Selecting it takes you to the Cloud dashboard where you can manage organization level settings. Once you're in the dashboard, click Manage. This button leads to your account and workspace management pages, which is exactly where the deletion option lives. If you don't see Manage, make sure you're in the correct workspace and have the right permissions. Next, choose Workspace. This opens the workspace settings for the account you're currently managing. If you have multiple workspaces, double-check that you're on the one you intend to remove since the deletion is permanent. Scroll to the section labeled Delete Account. This area typically includes a clear warning describing what will be removed and may list any prerequisites. Take a moment to read the notice so you're fully aware of the impact, especially if other teammates rely on the workflows in this workspace. When you're ready, click Delete Account. A confirmation dialog will appear to prevent accidental removal. You may be asked to re-enter the workspace name or confirm your intent, which is a standard safeguard for destructive actions. Finally, confirm by clicking Delete Account again. After this confirmation, the workspace is queued for deletion. You may be logged out or redirected, and in many cases you'll receive a confirmation message indicating the process has started. If you had an active subscription, it will be terminated as part of this process, subject to the platform's billing policy. If you don't see the delete option, it usually means your user role doesn't have sufficient permissions or you're looking at the wrong workspace. Also note that these steps apply to n8n Cloud. Self-hosted setups are managed differently, and that's it. Your n8n account has been deleted.